We are now going to wipe the printer memory. Doing the wipe will put the printer back at factory defaults. Anything you want to save off the printer, any custom configurations, save meshes, installed modifications, logs, uploaded files, you'll want to make sure to back those up before you start this procedure. We're back on the SSH terminal, MobaX term. It's been logged out. Press R to restart the session. And now we're logged back in. So in the repository, there is a quick start guide. Come down to Creality Standard Factory Reset. You can copy it from the little buttons over here. It says copied. Now we'll go back to MobaX term and we will paste that in and press enter. It'll say okay, and now we wait. The printer will reset everything and power down and come back up with the setup screen. Now that the printer's back up on the setup screen, we can continue with the initial setup and self-check video.